5 reasons why oatmeal is the best breakfast choice. Discover the benefits. We will outline in this video 5 compelling reasons to incorporate this superfood into your morning ritual below. Because not only are they quick and nutritious and a healthy way to start your day, you will want to wake up to a delicious and healthy breakfast by eating oatmeal every day. Are you looking for an easy and delicious breakfast option that will also fuel your brain and give you long-lasting energy? If so, then oatmeal should be your go-to. Not only does oatmeal provide essential nutrients needed for good health, but it's also versatile enough to suit all tastes with a variety of flavorings like honey or cinnamon. If you're a fan of natural remedies and holistic living, you might want to consider adding oatmeal to your daily breakfast routine. Not only is it a comforting and satisfying option, but eating oatmeal on a regular basis can also have some impressive health benefits. In this video, we are going to dive into the 5 amazing benefits of eating oatmeal for breakfast every day and how it can help meet our nutritional needs. So, if you're ready to learn why switching up your morning routine can lead to healthier living, let's get started. Oatmeal is unlike many other breakfasts. It's loaded with health benefits. Oatmeal can be a quick and tasty choice that is satiating and also offers essential vitamins and minerals. To make the perfect bowl of oatmeal, start by selecting high-quality, holistic oats. Combine them with water or milk, depending on your preference, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Add in natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger to enhance the flavor. Finally, top off your oatmeal with fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds to add a satisfying crunch. By following these tips, you can easily create a hearty bowl of oatmeal that is both delicious and beneficial for digestive health. Here are 5 major advantages of adding it to your morning meal. First off, oatmeal is an excellent source of fiber. Its soluble fibers release slowly over time, keeping you feeling full while helping slow down sugar absorption. Perfect for starting your day in a steady state of energy. Second, oatmeal offers numerous vitamins and minerals, including iron, folate, magnesium, and zinc. All of these contribute to a balanced diet and efficient metabolism even after brunch. Thirdly, oatmeal can also increase antioxidant levels. Studies have shown that when eaten regularly, the presence of para-amine compounds, which are abundant in natural oat grains, help neutralize many dangerous toxins throughout the body over time. Fourthly, if weight loss is one of your goals in mind, studies have continuously proven that unsweetened oatmeal can also boost satiety levels, leading to greater feelings of fullness after consuming, compared to other breakfast options like cereal or toast. Finally, fifth and possibly best, reducing bad cholesterol and maintaining heart health is often easier achieved through reliable consumptions of whole grain oats. In short, research shows that oats can reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, without withholding healthier good cholesterol. So, start your day off on the right foot with a warm, nourishing bowl of oatmeal. In addition, before starting any new diet or trying out any new remedies to alleviate any health issues or concerns, it is important to check with your doctor or medical professional first. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with someone that it could help. Then leave us a comment to let us know what you want to see in our next video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching.